Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Logan Williams. I wanted to explain something that occurred on Earth Day of 2023. That was Saturday, April 22nd. Some of us saw some graupel across the region. So what exactly is the graupel form of precipitation? Well, as we take a look here, precipitation starts off in the sky as snow. It's very cold up where those clouds are, so it's beginning to fall down out of the clouds as a snowflake. Then it's going to encounter a layer of some warmer air. So that falls through that layer where the snowflake begins to melt into a water droplet, still a very cold water droplet, right at or below 32 degrees, the freezing mark. And as the water droplets combine with one another, they'll begin to freeze together. And you can see that on the left-hand side, more and more of those little droplets freeze on top of that melted snowflake, and that is called rime. Now, once you get into the lowest level of the atmosphere, right where we are at the ground, all of those little frozen droplets combine into this little pellet, and that is what we call graupel. So the end result are these tiny white pellets that resemble very small hail, pea-sized hail or smaller. However, unlike hail, these are very soft. They're very easy to crush. So you can kind of think of them as snow pellets. These are common to fall during the springtime when we have big low pressure systems move in, and then we have little showers moving through, especially when we have a recent warm spell. So how does this differ from some of the other wintry precipitation that we know and may or may not like? You can see those precipitation types here, all warm air, of course. You just get rain. When you get a freezing layer right at the surface, right where we are, that's when you get the freezing rain. When that becomes a little bit larger, you get the sleet. And then, of course, when the whole air column is cold, that's when you get the snow. So how this differs from graupel means you need to have cold up top, a warm layer in the middle so those snowflakes melt, and then refreeze at the bottom of the ground, or at the bottom near the ground, when they combine together and form those little small graupel pellets. So that is a quick explanation of what graupel was. Again, a very common wintry type of precipitation. Of course, heading into the next couple of months through summertime, hopefully we'll just have some rain to talk about.